Hi everyone and welcome again. And today we have an awesome template about personal management and about the tasks you do daily. So the first template is about to-do list. So this template consists of many columns. The first column is the task, second one is priority, third one is status, fourth one is start date, and fifth one is due date, and seventh one is person to complete, and after that notes column. Okay, and here is the tasks you do. Each task has priority, and the priority can be low, normal, high. After that you select the status, can be not started, in progress, deferred, complete. Okay, after that write start date, and after that write due date, and after that you will select the percent complete, can be 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% completed. Okay, and you can also write note about these tasks. Let's take simple example. If you want to read a book, so and its priority is high priority, and you are not started the task. Okay, and the start date may be seventh of February. Okay, and here is a common mistake. 7th of February, this is the month, so February right here too, and here is the 7th of February, right 7. Okay, the first place for month and second place here for day. Okay, and the finish can be this date and 7th of March. Okay, and percent complete actually will be 0 because you not started this task. Okay, this is about the first template. Also, the second template is to-do list for projects. So if you have a project and this project consists of many stages and phases, and the first phase is planning, and second preparation, and task A, task B, task C, task D, paperwork. Okay, handoff, follow up, and this is the components and phases of the project. And you want to indicate a percent of complete for each item, and the first will be that 100% completed, and second will be almost completed, 75%, and you can select the 50%, 25%, and not started percent, 0%. Okay, so here is the percent to complete or percent of done, and here is the phase of project, and here is due to date, and here is note. And this is about the second template here, to-do list for projects. Okay, after that we have a to-do list for personal or work or family tasks. Okay, so you can select from category the family or person or work category for your task, and this is description about the task. Can be buy a gift, can be team meeting, can be submit report, gym session, mom's birthday, and etc. And you should select the due date and priority here can be high, medium, or low. Also you should select the status, pending or completed. Okay, and here is today progress chart, and here is tasks summary about today and tomorrow tasks, and this week and next week tasks. Okay, this is about the third template here. The last template today will be weekly chore schedule. This template consists of the matrix of tasks and the 7 days of the week. So if you have these tasks about get meal, dinner, dishes, dust, sweep, vacuum, mop, clean bathroom, clean bedroom, you should for each day of the week select who will do this task, and this task is done or not. So if the David have done his task about get email on Sunday, you should select done. And if Haitham doesn't make his task about vacuum or clean bathroom or bedroom, you should leave the cell empty. Okay, and this is weekly chore schedule. I hope these templates are awesome for you. I hope you use them for your daily and your business life. So if you have any question, please contact me. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture or next template. Thank you.